Hi everyone, good day. So this is a short video of me making or giving a tutorial on how to make knotless braids. So you start by parting the hair in three, then you start by plaiting, and then usually for me I just start with a tiny hair extension, the first one, and the second I use like the exact size I intend to use to complete the braids, you understand. And then as I progress I just maintain that same size of extension as I keep plaiting. So while I'm plaiting from the root of the hair, I plait like or take the extension like about 3 times, and then before I switch, like I flip over to braiding. That's way it will be easier and faster for me. Then if you feel like you need to add more extension, you've not gotten the exact size of braiding hair you want for the size of braids you're making, you can keep adding, as you can see in the video, and then you continue plaiting. So here is me still trying to like reduce that extension to the actual size which I was actually using to braid the hair. As you can see in the video, that's me like replacing the other half which I reduced from the previous one. So yes, this is how I actually achieve my own knotless. Okay, this is me starting the last part, so let me just give you a closer look this time. You part the hair in three, then you start braiding. 1, 2, then this one is a tiny size of the actual size I'm going to use. So you can see I don't flip the first one, I add, but the second one I'm going to like flip it, as you can see in the video, and then I join, and then I keep progressing. The same thing here. You can see after joining I flip, like I take the other extension underneath the braids. This way I prefer this style for me, though everybody has their own pattern of braiding. But for me, when I start with the first one, not flipping under the braids, it gives me a firm hold of my braids. So some people can flip at the very beginning, so the choices are different. Whatever works for you is fine. Yeah, so this is me still adding more extension to the hair as I progress to get the exact size of hair extension I want for the braids, so that the braids can come out very, very nice. So yeah, this is a short video of me making knotless braids. I hope to bring more tutorial your way soon. And this is the end result. Came out really nice. You can follow me on Instagram at listical_hair. On YouTube, same thing. And this is also where she had to pack the hair up the same day. That's a beautiful thing about knotless, it's flexible. Yeah, thank you.